For our emergency response, we need to have an emergency action plan. We need to know what you are going to do in an emergency, how you are going to evacuate your work areas, and have alternative escape routes identified. And then you need to identify the locations of the emergency evacuation assembly points. Where are you going to meet? We need to become familiar with the sirens, horns, or alarms that sound for each type of emergency evacuation. Common emergencies that alarms may sound for include fire, tornado, flood, ammonia or chemical release, or a bomb threat. The fire triangle includes 3 elements that are required for a fire to exist. You have a fuel, oxygen, and heat. If you remove one of these elements, you can put out a fire. Most common types of fires are started by ordinary combustibles from either wood, paper, or plastics, or B, flammable liquids such as kerosene, gasoline, or fuel oils, or C, electrical equipment such as electrical appliances or circuits. The most common fire extinguisher, class A, B, or C, is a dry chemical. Before use, we must check the following on our fire extinguisher. We must make sure that the lock pin and tamper seal are in place. The gauge pressure is in the green or operable range. The monthly and annual inspections have been completed, and the hose and nozzle or horn are unobstructed. The pass method for using the fire extinguisher starts with pulling the pin. Stand back 8 to 10 feet from the fire. You'll then aim the nozzle at the base of the fire and squeeze the handle to release the agent. Sweep the base of the fire with the agent. Our next emergency equipment is the shower or eye washes. These need to be located where chemicals are stored or where we are using chemicals. It should be within 10 seconds or no more than 100 feet away from the work area. You will flush the affected areas a full 15 minutes and seek medical attention. Using the eye wash, you will need to hold your eyelids open with both hands. And as you are flushing your eyes, you will roll your eyes, making sure that the entire surface of your eyes have been flushed. The next piece of equipment is the automatic external defibrillator, or AED. You need to identify the locations or ask if one is available on site. This equipment has been proven to increase chances of survival during sudden cardiac arrest. Drop to shock time should be less than 3 minutes. Use of this equipment is only if you've been trained in CPR and the use of the AED.